Alright guys, it's been a long time since we posted a video. I know, been working on some things. As you can see, we are not in the Power Stroke anymore. We are actually in a 2021 Toyota Supra. This is kind of what we talked about in the last video. We looked at some different cars, but we ended up settling on this one. It actually saved us a bunch of money in payment and insurance, surprisingly. Other than that, this thing has been a blast, and we're actually about to find out somewhat of what it can do. We are going to be racing in the spectator drags at the Freedom Factory, which I'm getting nervous about while we're on our way to the Freedom Factory. Hannah is getting excited as hell. She's #1 pit crew right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had to get a helmet this morning and some other stuff, but gates open at 2. It shows we're going to be there at 2:01. And we'll get back to you when we get closer to said Freedom Factory.
Is on your left.
Alright, y'all. There's the Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're coming in. Oh, shoot.
That looks familiar.
Arrived.
Well, thank you, Siri.
Can't really see it. Heck yeah.
Well, peeps, we're here. Can't believe the drag strip is that close. We will get back to you when we get into the actual Freedom Factory and see what we have to go through to, I don't know if there's tech inspection or what, but I mean, we got a helmet, that's all we technically need. But other than that, see you in a little bit.
Oh!
The mystery machine.
Legit.
Oh, this is wild.
We made it, boys.
This is so wild.
Hell yeah.
Howdy, titties over there. Alright, Joe. I don't know if you can hear me or not. And this helmet is hot as fuck. No AC for real though. Sport. See, I was told to launch in 2nd gear, but I'm racing the Charger behind me. So I think I can just step on it because launch control sucks in this. Just Spin City, and I'm getting nervous. Doof, I can feel my heartbeat.
You get lane choice. Which one do you want?
I'm taking inside and he's going out.
Okay. All right. You already know that?
Yeah, he does.
Okay.
Oh, that's an all-wheel drive Hellcat. It is? Wow. Goodness gracious. Oh, we got a brand new Supra. What year is it?
21?
How many miles ago?
9,000.
9,000. Brand new. All right. Over to you, AJ. Hellcat first 890 Supra.
That was so fucking fun. Holy shit, that was fun.
Keep going around. I know. Go to the back of the line.
Thank you. Holy shit, that was fun.
You guys behind your racetrack. Fuck, man. We gotta hit the lotto.
Son of a bitch, that was fun. Hey, dude, it was fun.
The whole cab, the door, the bed, the entire bed.
So GoPro got too hot, I guess, or something like that. So the first race was fun. I was super nervous, but it ended up being fun. I beat the Charger. I mean, I'm way lighter than him anyway. Probably same horsepower because he only had the 5.7. It was all-wheel drive, but I still got him on the launch pretty good. And I never saw him, but got that helmet hair. I'll probably just have to have Hannah record all the races, and then we'll, of course, put them in that way, since we got one with the GoPro and then it turned off as we were pulling up. But other than that, we're on to round 2.
Let's see if it's enough to stay ahead of the Supra. Oh, Supra with it, Joe. Coming in hot, turn 2. Closing the gap, the Supra, turn 1.
Guys lost in the second round to the Jag. Just didn't have enough power. He came around me. He didn't come around me on the turns. He came around me on the straights. So, I mean, I feel like the Supra has a lot more in it, but of course I'm a newbie to this, so good experience anyway. but it was fun. I'll throw some videos in here of other stuff, but see y'all later. Final thoughts on racing the Supra. It can do a lot better. I can do a lot better. I hope we get the chance to go out to one of those events again because it was a blast. Throughout the video, I think I'm just gonna put all my races, and then at the end I'll put some extra couple. There was a wreck that there was a wreck that I caught on video, kind of, that I'll put in. And then I did one grudge race at the end with the same Charger that I raced in the beginning because he thought, oh, I got it figured out and I'm gonna get you now. Yeah. And then I did a fourth run and it was just by myself, so I knew nobody was right there next to me, so I had a real good there it is, a real good I kind of tested the limits there and kind of saw what the car could do, and I know it can do more now. So hopefully I get the chance to go back. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Laters. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, God, I don't know.